Are you using the Coreless type toilet paper in your bathroom, but you don't want to put one of those big commercial holders in your bathroom? Go get yourself some of this pipe. Don't get 3/8. You need to look for 1/4. 1/4 will fit right in the center. The part you're going to need to make a holder are these nipples. They're 6 inches long. You're going to have 2 of those. You will have the flange, and you're going to have a 90. And I cap it off with a little cap on the top that I can remove and put the new toilet paper on and put it back. So what I'm going to do is go through the process real quick so you see how I attach. All right, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is figure out the placement, how high you want it up off of the ground. I use a stud finder. I come across and find my stud, which happens to be right here. I'll make a little mark so that I know where it's at. And then I'm going to use my flange. Take a screw. And these are nothing but drywall screws because they match the black, work very well. You don't have a lot of weight that you are. And I'll put one in to test it first and see how that's going to work. But you're just simply going to screw them in. So you take the 90, screw it on. And kind of just, I'm leaving it loose for a second. Take the other nipple, put it on the top. And the reason you do one first only is I can move it up or down a little if I need to, and I only have one hole to cover. Take and place it on, just like that. And then this is the cap, which kind of locks it in place. If that's the height you like, finish putting in your screws, you're done. So there you go, guys, all installed, super quick, super easy, and you don't have to have a big industrial type holder hanging on your wall. Hope this helps. We'll see you guys on the next one.